Amelia Michaye has lived in the village of Chigadela all her life. At the heart of the Limpopo River Basin, this place used to be Mozambique's breadbasket, but years of war and neglect mean that farmers produce little more than subsistence. To make matters worse, heavy rainfall along the length of the river in recent years means that floods are now common here. So although the land is fertile and crops flourish, they're always in danger of being washed away before they can be harvested.
Yorima, igwala, mahuma mamasos. Se kuyata yondambe. Yidafika yiteka amabele nkwawula, mafamba. Sethi ndambi tamasuku lawo, tanikola kaDoshimile. Sethi tlula tithatha idletela muselo, tifamba tiyasinya. Se loko kuntse kumeka leswaku leswa swi ta dlisa muti wa mina hi swoswo swi nga tekiwa leswi hi ndhambi.
But since then, Amelia has learnt to be better prepared.
Amaqhinga lawa hi nga nawo hi za hi ya ka ni matshalawa lawa hi fundisiwe hi ku hlupheka ni to tindhambi leti. Se hi ya ka matshala li kona hi leliya. A loko se ku ni to tindhambi to leti. A ku tala ka swona hambi mbhalo u teka yin'wana u famba na u teka swin'wana u veka lomuya a nasukanini a tshaleni.
As global weather patterns become ever more extreme, simple technologies like this one can make a world of difference to people like Amelia.